2015 Kia Forte. These 1.8 liter engines are in a lot of Kias, and they've got flaps, they've got little runners that are actuated. It's called the VAIS, and there's one right there. Sometimes what can happen is it can get stuck internally, or in worst case it can break off. So pretty much what you do at that point, you've just got to replace the entire intake manifold if it gets stuck. If you apply vacuum to this, it should be able to pull this up like so. If it gets stuck, you already know, time for a new intake. So this one came straight from Kia itself. Pretty straightforward to get it on there. Just some 10mm screws holding the throttle body on in that area. There's some hoses on the back here. You can probably get to them fairly easily once you've got the throttle body off. And the screws themselves, just a couple of them going in through there. I think those are 12 or 11mm. But yeah, that's the repair. That's what you got to do.